Conservatories in the UK climate can be a mixed blessing. Often too hot in summer or too cold in winter. But with an Equinox roof from the Fascia division, your conservatory can be transformed into a room you really can use all year round.
Again, this is a beauty now of when you're replacing your windows as well.
We're replacing the windows and doors for this customer because their conservatory is rather old. Their new conservatory will look quite different.
And at that point,
we explain all the benefits of the Equinox system and the styles and finishes to choose from.
So we have the two types of tiles that we can actually use. We have the steel tiles, which have the 50-year guarantee. And there's your quotation.
We'll leave you with a detailed quote to consider. And if you wish to proceed, our surveyor will visit to take precise measurements for the manufacture of your Equinox roof.
Lovely. 28 degrees.
On the day, we start by removing the ceiling blinds. As the windows and doors are being replaced, they're removed too. All the old roof components are taken down. Our installers are always careful to protect your floor and to leave your property clean and tidy. The new frames go in. We're fitting the latest energy-efficient windows and doors. Now the Equinox roof installation can begin. All the roof components are factory made and will have been delivered to your property a few days prior to the installation. Pre-cut insulation is laid out ready to be fitted. Equinox roofs have exceptional thermal properties and fully comply with building regulations for energy efficiency. Marine-grade exterior ply is screwed to the rafters. A breathable membrane is fitted for additional weatherproofing. The tiles are fixed to treated wooden battens. These are steel tiles with a 50-year manufacturer's guarantee. As the tiling progresses, inside, our electrician installs wiring for the sockets and lights. Treated wooden battens have been fitted to the ceiling for plasterboard to be fixed to. The plasterboard is insulated too, adding another thermal barrier to help keep this conservatory cosy in winter and cool in summer. Now that all the tiles are fitted, LED flashing is used to seal the roof to the brickwork of the house. We can transform almost any conservatory roof and even change its shape as we've done here, from double-hipped to Edwardian style. Inside, the ceiling and walls are plastered. All our fitters are fully trained and all our work is covered by our own 10-year warranty. We also offer, as standard, a 10-year insurance-backed guarantee underwritten by the Consumer Protection Association for your complete peace of mind. And this is the new conservatory. Remember what it used to look like? The transformation is amazing. A solid roof with plastered ceiling means no more condensation. It also means it'll be a lot quieter inside when it rains. In the summer, an Equinox roof will keep you cool and shaded. And in winter, this highly insulated roof will keep you snug and warm too. Along with our guarantees and accreditations, we are confident that you will be completely delighted you chose the Fascia division to fit your Equinox roof. Talk to us now if you would like to enjoy a beautiful new living space that you really can use all year round.